Wake Me Up by Avicii. This awesome upbeat guitar tune is well worth learning for some good rhythm practice on open chord. Wake me up when it's over. We are indeed on fret number 2 with the capo. We are playing an A minor chord, an F. Choose your F. It's a fast moving chord tune. You could play the F/C. You could play the F with the thumb hanging over the low E string first fret. Next chord is a C/G. We have a quick change from the C/G to the top part of a G chord. We also have an E minor chord. Muting the rhythm to start off with, we play down, down, up, and we play this for 3 bars. So we do down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. When we get to the 4th bar, down, down, up, down, down, up. This repeats throughout the intro and the choruses. Bringing the chords into the mix, slowing this down quite a bit, we have A minor, F, C over G, C over G, G. We then on the second chord sequence play A minor, F, C over G, C over G, E minor. Generally with something this quick, you're gonna change chord on the last up strum. So playing that round 1 times, a little bit slower. 2, 3, 4. Little bit quicker. Moving on to the verse, it's almost the same. We have A minor, F, C over G, and stay on C over G. Playing through the verse and chorus so you can see how they fit together, a little bit slower than the song. 2, 3, 4. Feeling my way through the darkness. But I know where to start. This gives us the chord and rhythms for the entire song. Structure-wise, we have the intro, verse, chorus. Then we have the instrumental section in the middle with the melody. I'm going to show you how to play that on guitar in just a second. Following that, we have another verse and chorus. Chorus is to end. And so on. Obviously the dance recording is epically faster. We don't need to play it that fast. Well worth learning to play for some single string melody practice. We start on the 2nd fret of the G string. Play that twice. Open G string, 2nd fret G string. Index finger comes down to play 1st fret B string. Then back to the 2nd fret G string. Then we do open G, 2nd fret G, open G, index finger, B string, D, 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 all on the same fret. 3rd fret B string, 1st fret B string, 3rd fret B string, and then we're going to slide up to the 5th fret. So we pick and slide, and then end on the index finger, 1st fret B string. So slow down. And we repeat this as many times as we see fit in our acoustic Avicii song. In this lesson, I show you how to play a bar song, Tipsy by Shaboozey, open chords, awesome bouncy strumming pattern. I'll see you next time.